Hello adventurers, we are headed to go pick up our race packets because tomorrow we are doing a fun run at the Tulsa Zoo and we have to pick up our packet the day before. Well, actually you could have picked it up several days in advance, but we're picking it up the day before. So let's go pick up our packets. Headed in the right direction. We did it. We went and got in line and we got our race packet, which comes with instructions for tomorrow with parking and which there's a 1 mile fun run, 5K, 10K, and I think that might be the only 3 they're doing. I don't think they're doing a half or a full or anything. But got our shirts, our bibs, and I'm pretty excited. I haven't done a run in a while, so this should be pretty cool. Have you guys done a zoo run before? Let us know.
I'm gonna do a casual walk.
I know, I think I'm gonna walk it because it's only a mile and I haven't worked out or ran in a while, so that's gonna be what I'm gonna plan on doing. It's zoo run day. Here's bib, important map, and shirt. It is zoo race day and we are headed to the entrance of where we're supposed to go. It is 6:49 in the morning. They said to kind of get here before 7, so that's what we're doing. We took the alternate entrance, which takes you basically, there's like a wildlife area called Mary Oxley. What's it called? Wildlife?
Oxley Nature Center.
Oxley Nature Center. So you kind of like drive out there past that and then wind your way through to the alternate entrance to the zoo parking lot and zoo entrance. That's what we're doing. Got a nice pretty morning coming in here today. We made it to our parking spot. How are you feeling?
I'm ready. I'm gonna run so fast.
It's 1 mile. Are you gonna actually run?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm definitely just gonna take my time.
For the fun and the run.
For the fun and the run. All right, let's go. Fit check. What do we got over here?
So aerodynamic today. I wore my blue pants. That's a +4 speed.
Oh.
I got the Brook shoes. Did you get the Brook shoes?
I did.
That's a +7 comfort.
Okay.
And then the rest is all just neutral. No extra bonus points for that.
Not your zoo run shirt?
No, the ZooRun shirt, it's supposed to be like camouflage for a race. Like you don't even realize it's there.
Oh, okay.
All that matters is this. $14.99, that's my price. The Danny with the fit check.
It's a little chilly out here this morning. Got my Brooks and my leggings and my jacket and my zoo run shirt.
Did you get any added ability points?
No. I literally wear these shoes to work like every day.
So they're broken in.
Yeah.
So do they give you comfort?
Yes.
Okay, that's all you need.
The fun run is inside the zoo where the 5K and the 10K are everywhere on the property. So we're just headed over to the beginning of the 1 mile fun run start. And the main gate is currently closed, so we had to go through the alternate entrance to get over here. But still got a little bit till it starts. We're walking, but Sawyer just said he's funning and he's running. I have to jog to catch up with Sawyer's walk. Rehydrate. Water lemon, thank you. Woohoo! You got your Gatorade and you got your
Got my medal.
woohoo! Well, friends, that is the end of our fun run at the zoo run. Tulsa Zoo Run 2025. I'd say that 1 mile was enough for me. Not super athletic, and I don't love to work out. So to do that was kind of an accomplishment. What do you think?
I thought it was fun. And it was a run.
Yes. Well, if you'd like to see more of our adventures, whether random ones or super planned ones, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, because if you do that, you will catch every video that we put out, which is every Friday. So be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you would like to know when those videos come out. But anyways, we will see you guys on our next adventure.